Hey everybody on Facebook, it's me, Bryson Booger, here to give you a mini tutorial on how to use the Yamaha PSR 740 keyboard. If you have one, or if you're looking to get one, it's a great keyboard. So many features packed in a very small and compact portable keyboard. I love this thing. It's from 1999, but it's awesome. I love this keyboard, and man, they put so many features on this thing than Yamaha does on their keyboards today. So it's a great keyboard. And I'm going to show you how to use the vocal harmony function on the keyboard. In other words, you can use this keyboard as a vocoder. It's not really meant to be a talk box. So for all you talk box junkies out there, sorry. This is for all you Phil Collins guys and 80s guys that love the vocoder sound. So you can actually use this thing as a vocoder. So there's a couple of steps that you have to do. It's not really that hard. And I'm going to show you how basically to use this thing to basically add a harmony with your voice as you're playing the keyboard. So it's pretty simple. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is you're going to need a microphone. Obviously this is just a good old Shure SM58, and you really need a microphone that has a 1/4 inch, or some people call it a guitar jack. So you need a mic with a 1/4 inch plug at the end of it, or if you do not have a mic with a 1/4 inch adapter, you'll need an external mixer, which is what I have here. This is just a Mackie Mix 5, and I have the microphone running via XLR into the Mackie, and then the Mackie has a 1/4 inch output, so I'm running the 1/4 inch output into the line in on the Yamaha PSR 740. So if you don't have a mixer, but you do have like an old, I don't know, karaoke microphone that has a 1/4 inch mic, or that has a 1/4 inch output on it, you just plug it right in here. However, if you're like me and you don't, you'll need an external mixer or an external interface to go from the microphone to the mixer and then into the keyboard. So once we have all that connected up, check 1 2, check, hey 1 2, you can hear my voice coming through the keyboard speakers. Right here you'll see a green light that says signal, and what that does is basically it lets you know that you have signal coming into the board, and then you can adjust the input volume of that signal so you're not clipping the keyboard. I'll show you what happens when you constantly clip this keyboard. So if I turn this up, hey, check 1 2, obviously I'm getting feedback and I'm clipping the board, so we have to turn the input volume down. Check 1 2. Check, 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 1 2. Okay, that should be good for this demo. So now I got my microphone in the way here. Now we're going to press the vocal harmony button. So when you press the vocal harmony button, it automatically comes on. Hey, check 1 2. And I sound like a little girl.
I don't know if you can hear that. But yeah, that's me. Surprising, isn't it?
But when you turn it on, it basically goes to a random setting, so you have to adjust it. So here, you come over here to your keypad, and you're going to click on the obvious vocal harmony button. And let's see if I can set my microphone there without it tipping. And so here are your vocal harmony settings here on the LCD screen. So right now it's on vocoder auto up. So any keys that I hit up here, it will respond with the vocoder here. There's also some other settings. So we have vocoder auto low. So anything in the lower area of the keyboard will react with the vocoder. Let's see here. Vocoder mode up. So that just automatically you just play the keys on the upper part of the keyboard. Same thing with vocoder mode low. Any keys that you play on the lower end of the keyboard. There's vocoder girl up. So this is just different variations. Vocoder girl low. Vocoder pitch up. Vocoder pitch low. Karaoke mode. Karaoke girl. Vocoder XG. I never tried that one. Karaoke pitch. sine bass. That's interesting. Check 1, 2. Whoa, 1, 2. You can barely hear that, but that's a bass frequency there. Speedy Mouse. This probably sounds very, very obvious. Simon Theodore. Alright. Chromatic XG. Detune XG. I don't really know what the XG does. And then through. Check 1, 2. Hey, 1, 2. I don't know what that one does. But let's just do let's do auto up. And then here you can select basically the type, I guess you say the type of voice that, you know, can be going along with the vocoder. So it's off right now. But if you select male, check 1, 1, 2, check. Hey, 1, 2, 1, 2. So obviously my voice sounded like a deeper male voice. If you select female, hey, 1, 2, 1, 2, hey, 1, 2, 1, 2, yeah, 1. I can sound like a girl, kind of. A very out of sync girl. So we're going to go to male, or there's one more setting. That was the multipad. This is unison, so this is kind of a mix of them both. Makes you sound like an alien. Hey, 1, 2, 1, 2, check, 1, 2. Hey, 1, 2, check, 1, 2, 1. I probably gotta turn that up so you can hear it. Hey, alright. 1, 2, check, 1, 2, 1, 2, check. There is a pitch correction. So if you want to sound like Cher from her 1999 album Believe, you get a very horrible incarnation of pitch correction. Check 1, 2, 1, 2, check 1, 2. Alright, let me not try singing. Okay. 1, 2, check 1, 2. Yeah, that's not very good, but it's there. You have pitch to note. So whatever note that you click will also be picked up by the vocoder. So that's right 1. Whoa. So it'll react with the notes. It'll react. It'll react with the notes, basically. I say. Man, that gets annoying really quick. So basically what it was doing was it was trying to find what note I was in, and it was trying to match it with what the note the keyboard was producing. So let's try it again. And I'm actually singing something. That just describes my singing voice right there. Okay, next we have the harmony part. So what this does, it basically adds like another little voice behind the vocoder, kind of to back you up as far as the harmony goes. So I don't know if you heard that a little bit. Let's do lower. So I don't know if you hear that little part in the background. And then these are song tracks, so you can assign the vocoder to different parts of a track, basically different tracks in general. Okay, so I'm pretty decent at keyboard. I'm not the best, so I'll try to give you a little demo of what this does. Pretty much you guys already know what it does, but I'll try my best to sing for you and see what we can do. Alright. Okay guys, here we go. Okay, so I'm not a great singer, nor am I a great keyboard player, but I want to give you a little test of what this vocoder can do. Or the proper term for it is the vocal harmony on this Yamaha keyboard. Okay, so what I'm going to be saying, if you're not going to be able to comprehend I'm going to be just saying, put the cookie down, nah, ow. And I'm just going to repeat that same thing. Put the cookie down, nah, ow. Okay, and I'm going to go through the different settings here. I got it set on male, but maybe I should set it on unison. Okay, so you can hear it a little bit better. And I'm going to try to miss a note so you can see how it kind of corrects you to go back on the note that you're supposed to be on. You don't have to sing with this vocoder, but it's kind of recommended because it's really not going to work that well if you don't sing. Because remember, your voice is being picked up in these speakers, and whatever you do or say will basically come out of the speakers. So you basically have to sing with it. You know, which is basically what you're supposed to do with a vocoder anyway, sing with it. But I'll show you what happens when you don't sing with it. So here we go. I don't think you need to see me. But I'll put this somewhere. Like right there. Okay, here we go.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down. Put the cookie. I messed up. Try again. Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down. Put.
Now I'm going to see what happens when I don't sing. So I'm just going to say it.
Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down.
It's trying to correct itself, as you can probably hear. So we'll sing again.
Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down.
Let's sing the wrong note.
Put the cookie. Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down.
It's still trying to correct itself, so obviously it will help you correct your pitch. If you're way off, it'll try to put you way back on, but it's not even close. Let's try vocoder girl low. So let's see.
Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down.
Sound like one of those peppy little squirrel girls. Let's do vocoder girl up.
Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down.
Well, that was random. Vocoder pitch up.
Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down.
That makes you sound like a robot.
I am SpongeBob. I hate SpongeBob. Put the cookie. Oh, jeez. Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down. Whoa.
Vocoder pitch low.
Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down.
Karaoke auto. This will be interesting.
Put the oh, it's just karaoke. Okay, well that's pointless.
Karaoke mode.
Okay, it's just my voice. Put the
Yeah, there's no difference there. Karaoke girl.
Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down.
I don't want to do that too much. Alright, next. Karaoke pitch.
Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down. Whoa, that was weird. Put the cookie. Whoa.
Vocoder XD.
Put the cookie down. Wait a minute, this is not even doing anything. Put the cookie down now. Okay, let me try talking it. Put the cookie down. Alright, that doesn't do anything. Sine bass. Put the cookie down. Put. You can't really hear it that well, but there's a bass frequency in my voice. Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down.
Speedy mouse. This is gonna get annoying really fast. Alright. Ready, Simon? Ready, Theodore? Put the cookie down. Okay, enough of that. Chromatic XD.
Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down.
D-Tune XG.
Put the cookie down. That's nice. Put the cookie down. Sounds like some rockabilly stuff.
Through. This is the last one.
So let's see. Put the cookie. Doesn't do anything. I don't know what this one was supposed to do, but okay.
That's about it. So I just went through all of the vocoder settings here on the Yamaha PSR 740. It's fun if you can stand it. It's a pretty great feature on a pretty neat synthesizer. I love it. Gives you a whole bunch of ideas and ideas that you wish you could do. Check it out.